Unforeseeable events denote the events that are unpredictable. To prepare for such events is not as intuitive as the transparency of an organization is. While is a detour sign here to indicate that anything against intuition that is counterintuitive, as choice A is the best fit as correct answer for blank 1, because both congenital and instinctual mean instinctive or intuitive, and any unpredictable events against transparency cannot be intuitive. So choice A fits blank 1. The honest explanation. The honest explanation can make people free from any negative issues. Any negative issue. Aggravate and nettle mean making a problem injury or offense worse or more serious, which is contradictory with respect to the honest explanation to be correct answer for blank 2. Assuage, as choice C, means making an unpleasant feeling or event less intense by any good mean. That is the honest explanation. So choice E is the correct answer for blank 2. So the correct answers are choice A and choice E.